Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. This is the best setup and you will get accuracy around 100%. In this setup I will show you two type of signals. There are two types of signals, strong signal and the weak signal. Strong signal is accuracy is around 100% and the weak signal accuracy is around more than 70%. Okay, so let's discuss this indicator. At the end of the video I will tell you how you can get this two indicator. First we have need to identify the strong signal and then we will discuss the weak signal. Okay, here you can see in the setup you will get five things. The first thing is the trend line. Okay, trend line is actually a red one and the blue one. Okay, and when the candles are below from the trend line, you can see trend line become a red one, and the when candles come upside from the trend line, you can see there is strong buy area, and you can see almost buy signals are profitable. Okay, when the trend line. Okay, now there are two types of trending clouds here. Okay, the first trending cloud and the second one. Okay, when the both one are blue one, that is a very strong area, strong buy area, sorry. Okay, and the third thing is here is a band. Okay, the fourth thing is actually the RSI, and there are fifth thing is there are a lot of buy and sell signals. Okay, so we have need to identify how we need to identify the strong buy area. So conditions are very clear. When these two clouds are uh, actually there are two clouds here, you can see the first cloud and this one is the second one. Okay, okay, both one should be blue one, you got the buy signal, and third thing trend line is blue one, and the fourth thing RSI. Here you can see this is the RSI. First we have need to understand the concept, because concept is very important. Okay, here you can see there are RSI and there is a band line. First we have need to discuss this one here. You can see and this RSI ribbon is below from the lower band line. Okay, again RSI is below from the lower band line. Okay, this is RSI is upside from the upper band line, and here you can see RSI is upside from the upper band line. Okay, and this is RSI again below from the lower band line, and again upside from the upper band line. So these are our sold and our bought conditions. Okay, you can see clear. Now we have need to discuss second indicator. Second indicator will give you like this one. Okay, it will give you the trending clouds and the trend line. Okay, there, and it will also will give you the support and resistance. Let me show you the most recent condition here. It will automatically will draw the support and resistance line. Okay, now trading is pretty clearly easy for you. Okay, now we have need to discuss strong buy and sell areas. Now when this trend line is blue one, trending clouds are blue one. Okay, you need to follow buy signal, but remember RSI should be below from the lower band line. That is a strong buy signal. It will give you 100% accuracy like this one. Okay, let me give you some more identification like this one. RSI is upside from the upper band line. Okay, trending clouds are red and trending line is red, so that is a very strong sell signal, and it will give you 100% accuracy. Okay, let's discuss more indicator like this one. I am using 1 minute. I will show you the results in other time frames like 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. Okay, and I will also will show you this indicator work perfectly fine on all pair like forex, crypto, indices, stock, each and everything. Okay, here you can see that is a strong conditions. Clouds are blue one, trending line is blue one, and you got the buy signal, and the RSI should be below from the lower band line. That is a strong buy signal. Okay, let's discuss more. This one is strong sell condition. That is a strong sell condition. Okay, that is actually a strong sell condition. Okay, that is a strong buy area. That is actually not a buy, strong buy, but it is a weak. We have need to discuss the weak signal later. Okay, but here we have need to discuss strong condition only. Okay, this one, strong buy area, strong buy area. Okay, and let's discuss more one. Okay, this one, strong sell condition. Okay, let's discuss more. And here is that one, strong buy. Okay, that is a strong sell. Okay, and lot of more. So let's see the results in gold. Okay, you have need to results, see the results here. You can see strong buy sell signal, strong sell this one. Okay, strong buy from this point. Okay, and that is actually weak one. Okay, and so on. And now we have need to understand weak signal as well. So a weak signal, actually there is a support and there is a resistance. When the market come to the support line and market is on the trending buy side, okay, then you need to follow buy signal and it will definitely will give you the profit. Like here, buy signal, RSI is not below. Okay, RSI is not below from the lower band line, but you got the signal and the our trend is on the buy side, so we have need to follow buy signal. Buy signal, both signal profitable. Okay, now this cloud is blue one and this trend line is also blue one, so we have need to follow buy signal, buy signal, buy signal, got the profit, again buy signal and got the profit here. Okay, and we have need to see the live result as well. Okay, let me show you here. You can see strong sell condition, RSI is below, but we got the sell signal. So these are weak sell signal, profitable, weak sell signal and profitable. Okay, now this one is a weak signal, but when it's come below from the RSI ribbon, this candle, after candle close below from the RSI, that is a strong sell condition. You can put your stop loss here and you can book your profit here. Okay, you have need to target the lower band line and need to open your sell position and need to target the lower band line like this one. You have need to put your book your profit here. Okay, that is actually now easy. Now let's see the results in other time frames, like 5 minute time frame. Okay, now this one. Okay, now at this condition, that trend line is a red one, but trend clouds are, you can see trending clouds are clearly saying that is buy condition, so you need to follow buy signal, not sell signal. Okay. Hmm, that is actually not strong buy signal, that are actually weak sell or buy signal. Okay, these are strongly sell condition when you got perfectly when your conditions perfectly true, like this one, that is a strong buy condition. Okay, and here you can see that is actually a strong sell condition. Okay, and let me give you more example. Here the trend lines is red one, so this is not our trade. Okay, do not trade. Okay, we have need to open our buy and sell position on safe point, not do not need to take any risk. That is a strong sell condition and your target hit. Okay, now trading is now easy for you, just need to follow the rules. And now I have need to tell you either the indicator perfectly fine on all time frames. Now let's see 5 minute time frame. Okay, strong buy condition, this is actually the weak signal. Okay, and you can see you got the profit here. Okay, let's see some more condition here. This is a strong buy condition and you can see you got some good profit here. That is a strong, now like yes, actually that one is a strong buy signal. The clouds are blue one and this trending line is also blue, so that is a strong buy condition and you can target it. Okay, that is a very strong buy condition and your target 100% will hit, and you can say that is a weak sell signal because the RSI is upside, so that is a weak buy signal and you can see your target hit. Okay, now you can move to the sell position if you need, but that is a strong sell condition and you can say your target easily hitting. That is a strong sell condition and you can see there are a lot of examples. Okay, let's see results in Euro USD and some crypto pair as well. Okay, you can see working perfectly fine, strong buy conditions and working awesome. Okay, let me show you some more example here. Okay, now the trend line is green, sorry, red one, and clouds are blue one, so that are strong, not a not strong signal, that is actually weak signal. Okay, and you can follow and get easily profit. Okay, that is one, that are awesome and strongly buy conditions. Okay, strong buy conditions. Okay, strong buy signal. Okay, okay, let's see more example. Okay, we have need to find that is actually strong buy condition. Okay, from this point. Okay, that is another buy signals and that is a strong. Okay, now you can see your target is easily hitting the target and you are getting accuracy if you will combine strong and weak signal, and almost you are getting accuracy 80% plus. Okay, and let's see the results in for crypto pairs like Solana and BTC. Okay, strong buy signal, perfectly fit. Okay, now we have need to find. Okay, that is a strong buy condition and target hit. Okay, now the clouds are red, so we do not need to follow any signal until market come upside and you got the sell signal. That will be your strong sell condition. Let's see some live demo. Okay, that one is a strong sell condition. Okay, that is a weak sell signal. Okay, and you can see both signal 100% giving you profit. Okay, let's see some more example. No signal, so we have need to find perfect condition in which our rules must be follow. Okay, now that is this weak sell signal and you got some good profit here. That target is almost touching. Okay, that is your strong buy condition. Okay, and that is actually strong buy condition. Okay, and your target easily hit. Okay, now how you can add the indicator in your trading view chart and how you can get this indicator. So if you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Let me show you my contact details. If you need my indicators, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. If you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember write one at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channels and you do not need to join any fake Telegram channel. Gmail, simplehoga@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. You will get 100% accuracy. That is my effort to make the best indicators for you, and I currently more than 5,000 people are using my indicator. Never receive any complaint from any person, and hope you will find the best indicator. Okay, and enjoy. And even a very beginner people who never use any indicator can easily use my indicators and make profits. Okay, now the last question, how you can add the indicator. First you have need to add this indicator. Control A, copy the code, then go to the Pine editor. Okay, remove it first and then remove all the code from here and then paste my code, then click on add to chart. Okay, the second indicator you need to add is trending algo. Okay, we have need to add one more indicator. First we have need to do setting. Go to the setting of this indicator. Okay, uncheck this table and influence signal uncheck, and RSI 75, that will give you the our bought and our sold condition, and swing mode uncheck. Your indicator is now ready. The second indicator you have need to add is trending algo. Control A, copy the code. Then here you have need to remove all the code, paste my code, then click on add to chart. Your indicator is now ready. But indicator, second indicator, okay, we have need to first remove this code, then we have need to add the code, because you can add only two indicator. Okay, so here you can see this indicator will give you strong sell signal, strong buy signal, each and everything. It will give you the entry. Here you can see this one was the entry, that is your stop loss, that is take profit 1 almost hit, the take profit 2 and take profit 3. Okay, but it give you accuracy around 60 to 670%, but I am giving you better strategy that will give you the accuracy around 100%, or you can say more than 80 to 90%. That is actually very good accuracy. But if you follow, if you want to follow only this signals, okay, like here, then that is a not profitable signal, but that signal is profitable. Okay, that signal is profitable, that signal is so much profitable. So overall you are getting accuracy 50 to 60%, but if you follow my strategy you will get more accuracy. So we have need to find, let me show you. Go to the trending, go to the style and uncheck the lines and labels. That's it, your indicator is now ready. And hope you will enjoy the profit. And any further query you can ask me. How you can add the indicator I show you, and how you can get the indicator. My indicators are paid, not free of cost. And if you need my indicator you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. Remember, write one at the end must if you want to contact me on my Telegram, because there are some fake Telegram channel, they are using my picture and same channel information. So you need to be aware, do not join any fake Telegram channel. Just personal contact me on my Telegram. Gmail, simpleloga@gmail.com. Further query you can ask me. For the next video, bye bye, take care.